season in Panama. And what you're gonna get here in Panama when it's rainy season is it's very overcast. It's always warm though, still very much 80s, very much 90s, very much humid in the 85th and higher percentile, but still very comfortable, still very warm, still very humid. You're just not getting cooked by the sun. I love it.